Concentrate on the orbit, which is a pyramidal shaped cavity. Its apex is being directed posteriorly towards the medial end of the supraorbital fissure, as you can see here. And its base is showing four sides. Let me mark them. This is the roof, this is the floor of the orbit, this is the medial thin wall, and the lateral wall. Now we will learn them individually. Concentrate on the roof, which is basically formed by the orbital plate of the frontal bone mainly, and posteriorly we can observe the lesser wing of the sphenoid to complete the roof of the orbit. Now concentrate on the lateral wall, which is basically formed by the zygomatic bone via its orbital plate, and a little bit more posteriorly you can see the greater wing of sphenoid to complete the lateral wall, right? Now concentrate on the floor, which is again formed by the zygomatic bone and also by the maxilla bone, which is giving its orbital plate and forming the major part of the floor. And what else? You can see that there should be the contribution of the palatine bone in the floor of your orbit, right? Now for the medial wall, we have changed to see the clear concept of your medial wall. From the lateral aspect, you can find that the four bones are taking part. So first of all, we have to see that the maxilla is going to take part in the medial wall. Then you can observe this green color, which is the lacrimal bone. Then you can observe a little bit posteriorly that the ethmoid bone is also taking part, and more posteriorly you find the body of the sphenoid bone. So this way the four bones are taking part in the formation of medial wall. And for that roof, I have to show you the green color orbital plate of the frontal bone, which forms the roof. We can now observe it, and this is the lesser wing that is gonna take part in the roof of your orbit, right? I have made mnemonics to learn the walls of the orbit. The mnemonics for the roof, lateral wall, floor and medial wall are: for roof, you would say for sure that depicts F for frontal bone, S for sphenoidal bone via its lesser wing. Then comes towards the lateral wall. Use the mnemonic zoom screen. Z is for zygomatic bone, S is again for sphenoid bone via its greater wing. Now concentrate on the floor and learn the mnemonic zoom picture messages. What you see? Z for zygomatic process, P for palatine bone, and M for maxilla. Now for the medial wall, which is a thinner plate, learn the mnemonic let me speak English. L for lacrimal bone, M for maxilla, S for sphenoid, and E for ethmoid. Thank you.